Okay, I'm gonna have a 3x3 solve here. Let me just do this mix. This is my tip. I'm gonna mix it with what it says, with the fair mix. Okay, the cube here. 15 seconds. New record. 33 seconds. 0.18. And that was actually my first solve of today. So that's pretty wild. I don't actually, that's normal for me. My first solve of the day is always really fast, and my second solve is really slow. So 33.18. I just wanted to show you that real quick because, you know, you actually did it on my first try. That was pretty good. And my 38-second one, I think I did it after 2 tries. That was my second try. Okay, so anyways, I'm using my high memory. And bye-bye. Yeah. I know you think, oh, he probably just timed it after and put in a new clip, but no, actually, it's because I forgot to show it. If you want to go get your timer, it will be 33 seconds. The time how long it was. I swear. And I think I used that mix. Wait, no, it changed. I don't know. Oh, well, I cleared it. But anyways, I did. Finally, I got sub 35. Without a skip. I think. Yeah, I didn't get a skip. So, I got really good solve there. Please subscribe, and comment, and rate, and do everything you can.